Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we got a fun project. We're going to turn all these blanks into a steel rose. Come along, let's have some fun. For our petals we're going to use the cross beam and put some texture on them. For our leaf texture, we're just going to take a nice straight punch and put in some veins while it's cold. We have our veins. Next we'll warm it up and shape it. Now that we have some texture, we're going to start shaping the petals and then we'll put it all together to make our rose. For our stem and base, I cut down some rod into 2-foot sections. Get it kind of a little warmer in the forge and put some texture on it. There we have it, our first metal rose, beginning of the second one. I left the stem, we're going to use that for our stand. Alright, here goes nothing. So here's what we got. We got our 2 metal roses welded up with a twist down to our scrolls, and if you can't tell, we're going to make a heart. So we'll use these rebars and see how close we can get. I'm not sure how much I ended up filming versus just doing, but I got it all bent up and welded. And all that's left to do is wire brush it and put some oil on it. Time for everyone's favorite part, finish. I'm going to use linseed oil for this project. There we have it, our iron roses. Well, there we have it. Twisted iron roses in the shape of a heart for our 6th anniversary. Sure was a fun project. Hopefully it's a fun gift to give. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. Alright, I think that's enough intro. Maybe one more. I should stop and pause. Got no head. Pause to make editing easier. Woo! 10th time's the charm.